Now, here is where the jealousy, the hassad comes in. If somebody is jealous of you and they're disapproving of you and your action, the look on their face, the tone in their voice, and the glance they give you, the look in their eye is going to undermine your confidence. If you're doing something, you won't even feel it, but your confidence would go down. And you can see it in sports. When you want someone to win, you cheer for them. And your positive attitude in cheering, it gives them courage. That's why it's always good for teams to play to the home crowd. And they say we are playing on the home ground is always beneficial. And if you want to discourage them, you boo them. And it's a booing which takes that confidence away from them and it affects their performance. So jealousy has got negative connotation. The person has got a negative attitude, negative vibes, negative facial expression, negative voice tone, might be mocking, making fun of you, and you may not feel or may feel it. It is going to rob your confidence. And that's where jealousy and hassad undermines your effort. Now, similarly, the sorcery and spells and occult is also stemming from jealousy and hatred. But that is something which is usually not seen. So far, scientific knowledge has not gone to the root of it and proven anything yet. But in future, with more research, we will find out that having negative feelings about someone, casting a spell, can have negative effects on your health and mental well-being. One thing I would like to mention is there was a study done and published in a very big medical journal many years ago. In this study, they had two groups of patients, and these patients were not informed, but they had a group of people pray for them and wish well for them. So half of the patients were prayed for and the other half were not prayed for. And the patients didn't know who's getting prayers and who's not getting prayers. And they saw that the group of patients who had positive prayers for them, they responded better to treatment. It's medically well established that people with a positive mental attitude do better with treatment and combat disease more effectively. But now the evidence is emerging that other people having positive feeling and thoughts for you could also boost your response to treatment. In future, if we do more research, we would be able to find out what the connotations of negative feelings can be on a person's health and well-being.